This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Hyundai Kona key fob. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership and is easy to do yourself. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool or an old credit card can be helpful to avoid any marks on your fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Start by locating the small release button or lever on the back of your fob and slide out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. This action will begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Most Hyundai Kona key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its compartment. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, are working correctly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.